Learn more, achieve more.
Students, okay. Now, for oxoacids of sulfur are classified into total how many parts? Three parts: sulfurous acid series, sulfuric acid series, and thionic acid series. Okay. Sulfurous acid series further contains four acids. Sulfuric acid series further contains three acids. Thionic acid series contains four acids. So, as a total, there will be total sulfuric acid oxoacids by sulfur are in how many? 11. So before that, what is the difference between acid and oxoacid? Okay, so acids are basically divided into two types. Okay, the hydracid and oxoacid. Hydracid and oxoacid. Okay, so hydracid is a binary compound. Oxoacid is a tertiary compound, ternary compound or tertiary compound. Okay, so in hydracid you will find how many type of elements, how many type. I am not saying how many number of. Okay, so let us take H2S. It is acid. Okay, so but it is which type of acid? Hydracid. It is which type of acid? Hydracid, because hydrogen and electronegative element is there. HCl is a hydracid. Okay, so but when we add the third element, what is that third element? Oxygen. When oxygen is added as a third element, that acid becomes oxoacids. Okay, so there will be three fixed number of elements, type of elements, three fixed type of elements. What are those three elements? First one is hydrogen, second one is oxygen, and third one is acid about which we are talking, like oxoacids of sulfur. So three elements will be there. Okay, maximum number of type of elements available in oxoacid of sulfur will be three. One is hydrogen, second is oxygen, and third is sulfur. Now it is hydracid. It is a diprotic hydracid. Okay. But if I write some oxygens, now it will become oxoacid. Is it understood? It is a hydracid of chlorine. But if I write some oxygens, then it will become oxoacids. Okay. So in this topic, we are going to discuss about what? Oxoacids of sulfur. So type of element which are going to be present are hydrogen, oxygen, and sulfur. Okay, but what is the difference? There will be difference in number of sulfur, difference in number of hydrogens, and difference in oxygen, and difference in oxidation number, difference in number of bonds formed. Okay, so by making many combinations, we found how many type of oxoacids of sulfur? Four, 11 types of oxoacids of sulfur, but they are classified into how many types? Three types. Broadly, they are classified into three types for easy understanding. Now we shall start with the sulfurous acid series. First series is sulfurous acid series. Okay, it is going to contain how many types of acid? Four types of acid. They are going to contain four types of acid. Okay, so four type of acid in every structure. I will tell you if there is any uh, tip to understand, tip to remember, so that in future you will be able to answer it properly. Okay, and the formula, oxidation number, and structure. Okay, first and very easiest one is sulfurous. Okay, first one is sulfurous acid. First one, this is sulfurous acid. Okay, formula is H2SO3. Formula is what? H2SO3. Okay, here wherever OUS, okay, is there, that means this is less than the highest possible. There will be less than the inert pair effect already I explained you in the previous class. Sulfur can exhibit how many oxidation state? Positive oxidation state +4 and +6. Okay. So if it exhibits oxidation number of +6, then you will find a word ic. Okay. If oxidation number is +4, then you will find a word OUS. Okay. So sulfurous acid, but it is only a method. Okay. So sometimes due to structural difference, there may be change in oxidation number also. Okay. Now, how to determine if there is any difference from the name and structure? Okay, so there will be, I will be telling you about the average oxidation number also. Okay, now sulfur can form maximum 6 bonds and minimum how many bonds? 2 bonds. Okay, so this is the structure of H2SO3. Okay, structure of H2SO3. Is it understood? Now here each sulfur is making how many bonds? 4 bonds. It is making 4 bonds, and out of which this will be more electronegative. With respect to this bond I am talking. Okay, so this will be +1. With respect to this bond it will be +1. This will be -1. Here 2 bonds are there, +2 and -2. So as a total, the sulfur oxidation number in the sulfurous acid is going to be how much? +4. Is it understood? So us is there, therefore it is normally I am telling you, it is normally forms 4 bonds and normally exhibits +4 oxidation state. Okay, so this is the first acid of the sulfurous acid series. Sulfurous acid, first acid series is sulfurous acid itself. Formula is H2SO3. Formula is what? H2SO3. Oxidation number of sulfur is +4 and it contains one lone pair. It contains what? One lone pair, 3 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. Okay. So this is all about the sulfurous acid. Is it understood? Now let us see about the second acid. Second acid of this series is thio. Okay, thiosulfurous acid. What is the second example? Thiosulfurous acid. So if you understand the meaning of this thio word is normally used when there is a replacement of oxygen by sulfur. Okay, so we are going to replace it with the sulfur. Now it becomes thiosulfurous acid. We are going to replace it with the sulfur. Now it will become as a thiosulfurous acid. So we have to make changes in the molecular formula also. So it is to be reduced by 1 and it is increased by 2. So H2S2O2, H2S2O2. Okay. So this is the thiosulfurous acid. And here both sulfur are at different oxidation state. One sulfur is at +4 oxidation state and another sulfur is at -2 oxidation state. In normal method, if you do the average oxidation state, okay, +4 -2 by 2, that is equal to +2 by 2 is equal to +1. Okay, what is the average oxidation state of sulfur in thiosulfurous acid? Is it understood? How to remember this? In this one, thio word is used when oxygen is replaced by, sulfur. When oxygen is replaced by sulfur, then it is called as a thiosulfurous acid, H2S2O2. So here in the sulfurous acid only one oxygen I am replacing with sulfur. This is the structure of the second sulfurous acid series member of the second sulfurous acid. Okay. Third one is disulfurous acid or pyrosulfurous acid. What is the next one? Pyrosulfurous acid. Third one is pyro. Okay, this is the structure of disulfurous acid or pyrosulfurous acid. Okay, so disulfurous acid means 2 moles of sulfurous acid are connected together with loss of one water molecule. Okay, so normally H2SO3, H2SO3. Okay, so what it should be having? H4S2O6 minus 1 H2O. Okay, so then leftover will be H2. Okay, S2O5, H2S2O5. Pyro word is used. Pyro and di. That means from 2 moles of the sulfurous acid molecule by heating, 1 mole of water is removed. Okay. So what is the meaning of it? Pyro means removal of water. Pyro means removal of water molecule. Okay. So water molecule when it is removed, then it will form H2S2O5. What it is going to form? H2S2O5. Okay. So the word behind the meaning of behind this word is it understood? Di and pyro. From 2 moles, one water molecule is removed. Then leftover will be this one. Okay. Now I think you will be able to find out the oxidation states. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this oxidation state will be +5. Okay. And this oxidation state, sulfur to sulfur, we cannot count because it is the same element. Okay. Now here +3. So both sulfur are at different oxidation state. Now if you find out the average, +5 +3 divided by 2, then you are going to get +4. Okay, that is the sulfurous acid. Okay, sulfurous acid, is it understood? In disulfurous acid, formula is H2S2O5 and pyro word meaning and its oxidation state. They both are at the different oxidation state. One sulfur is at +5, one sulfur is at +3. Okay. So this is about the third element of the first series. Total how many series we have? Total series we have total of how many? We have 3 series, out of which first series we have completed 3 elements. Okay. Next, the fourth member of this one is dithionous acid. Okay. Dithionous dithionous acid. Okay. So in dithionous acid is H2S2O4. Formula is H2S2O4. Okay. So it is very simple. Sulfur, sulfur. This is the structure of the H2S2O4. Okay. Now what is going to be the oxidation number here? It is +3. And here also it is +3. So average also is going to be +3. Is it understood? So basicity, I think there is certain questions. Integer type questions are there. There are matrix match questions are there. So there are more chances of this type of question based on this topic. Dithionous acid, basicity is how much? 2 OH are there, therefore it is a dibasic acid. What it is? It is a dibasic acid. Okay. So dibasic acid because 2 OH are there. Question will be number of S and S bond linkages, number of S double bond O's. Okay. Like that, there are in books also you will find out, but how to draw and how to find out that concept I am making you to understand. Okay. So total how many oxoacids are there? 11, out of which first series consists of 4 which we have completed. Now we are going to start with the second series. We are going to start with the second series, that is called as sulfuric acid series. Okay. Sulfuric acid series. Sulfuric acid series. Okay, so ic acid. Just now I told you ic shows that it is going to contain maximum oxidation state, that is +6. What is the maximum oxidation state? It is +6 is the maximum oxidation state. Okay. Now it is going to be first member of this family is sulfuric acid. Like sulfurous acid series started with sulfurous acid. So sulfuric acid series is going to contain 3 members, and first member is sulfuric acid itself. Okay, first member is sulfuric acid itself. Okay, H2SO4. Okay, so ic acid means what is the oxidation number it is going to have? It is going to have +6 oxidation number. Okay, now sulfur. Okay, this is one way of writing. Understood? Now, here each sulfur is attached with 4 oxygen but with the 6 bonds. So, oxidation number is going to be +6. Okay, basicity. What city? Basicity is, 2. Okay, and number of S double bond O linkages are 2. Number of S and S bonds are 0. Okay, like that you should research on every molecule, because question comes in which way? Number of OH, integer type. Okay, like that there can be different types. There can be what? Different types. Understood? So you should make a note so that as per the current exam pattern, you should be able to answer all questions. Is it understood, students? Okay. Sulfuric acid series first is completed, very easiest. Okay. Next, I think second you can do it now. Thiosulfuric acid. Okay. So thiosulfuric acid. So first, as I told you, thiosulfuric acid, you should make it as it is. Okay. Thio word is used when one of the oxygen is replaced by sulfur. This is sulfuric acid, not thiosulfuric acid. Okay. So when I replace it with the sulfur, okay, now it becomes thiosulfuric acid. Okay. So anybody can answer what is the oxidation state of this sulfur. Let us take this and let us take this. Okay. Now all of you start sending answers for S, A, S, B. A and B oxidation states, you should start sending it. Now see, this type of method, from where it is originated, we should write. Okay, it is originated from this one. Okay, so in this one, what is the oxidation state here? It is -2 and it is +6. Okay, so by replacing, it does not make any changes. So A is equal to -2, B is equal to +6. Okay, so what will be the average now? -2 plus 6 by 2, that is equal to +4 by 2, that is equal to +2. Answer average is +2. Is it understood? Okay, this is about the thiosulfuric acid. Okay, how to find out? I think now all of you got some idea. Okay, next pyrosulfuric acid. Next word is pyrosulfuric acid. See, if you one part, if you manage to understand, then it will be easy. Pyro. Just now I told you what you have to do. What you have to do, pyro, that means just now calculation part also I told you. Okay, so with calculation I told you pyro word is used when one water molecule is removed from the 2 moles H2SO4 H2SO4 minus H2O. Okay, so first it is going to be H4S2O8. Okay, from this one water molecule you remove H2S2O7. H2S2O7. Very good. Okay, so this is about the pyrosulfuric acid formula. Okay, formula will be H2S2O7. So that is the advantage of knowing the meaning. Okay, if you know meaning, then you need not remember many other formulas. Okay, so I think now, see, this is one sulfuric acid. Okay, this is one sulfuric acid and this is another sulfuric acid. Okay, so when I remove, there will be one oxygen here. So this is going to be the structure of pyrosulfuric acid. Is it understood? See, one word meaning so many advantage, formulas and everything. Okay. Now you can tell me the oxidation number of this one. Very good, plus 6. This is also going to be plus 6. Okay. So average is going to be how much? Plus 6 only. Understood? See how fast we are able to complete sulfuric acid series. All the three elements are completed. So starting will be always difficult. Okay. But afterwards it may be easy. Okay, next, what is the series name? Thionic acid series. What is the next name? Thionic acid series. Thionic acid series. Okay, in thionic acid series, first one is dithionic acid. Okay, dithionic acid. Dithionic acid formula is H2S2O6. Okay, H2S2O6. Is it understood? Now here both places center element will be sulfur only, and both sulfur will be connected by one single bond, dithio. That means two sulfur are connected with one single bond. Okay. Now here it is this sulfur sulfur bond, there is no oxidation number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be plus 5 and it will be plus 5. So average is also is going to be plus 5. Okay. Basicity is how much? 2. Number of S and S linkages are how much? 1. Number of SO bonds are how many? 4. Okay. Then most important one in the second point is polythionic acid. Dithionic acid we have studied. Then it will be easy for you to understand poly. Okay, polythionic acid. So in that, very easy. In between these two sulfur, there will be n number of sulfur. There will be n number of sulfur. Okay, there will be n number of sulfur. Okay. So this is now there is no change in the oxidation number of terminal one. Okay, but there is going to be change in oxidation number average. Okay, 5 plus here n sulfur are there and here plus 5. Okay, so total sulfur are how many? As n plus 2. Okay, so this is the total oxidation state. That means it is going to be plus 10. This oxidation number will be 0. Okay, plus 10 by n plus 2, plus 10 by n plus 2. This is the average oxidation number of sulfur, polythionic acid. Is it understood? Next, peroxomonosulfuric acid. What is the next one? Peroxomonosulfuric acid. Okay, so peroxo, that means the peroxyl linkage is there. What is there? Peroxyl linkage. Okay, peroxomonosulfuric acid. Okay, monosulfuric acid. So peroxyl linkage is there. Okay, so this is the normal sulfuric acid is there. This is what normal sulfuric acid. But to include the peroxyl linkage, there will be one peroxyl linkage. Okay, so here oxidation number is how much? Plus 6. It is because here these two oxidation numbers are -1, this is -2, this is -2, this is -2. And it is commercially called as Carros acid. What it is called as? Carros acid. Okay. Next one, last one is peroxo disulfuric acid, or what it is called? Marshall's acid. Okay. Peroxo disulfuric acid. Okay, peroxo disulfuric acid. So here what we are going to form? We are going to form from this one only. Okay, this is the peroxo disulfuric acid. Okay, here also it is plus 6 only. Now what it is going to have? Its oxidation number is going to be plus 6 only, but these two oxidation number will be -1 and -1. It is called as what? Marshall's acid. Marshall's acid. Okay, there are three commercially important compounds in this one. First one is oleum, second one is Carrow's acid, third one is Marshall's acid. Okay, so by name you should be able to understand the formula, by name you should be able to understand the oxidation number also. Okay, okay, then apart from this oxidation number and all, now you should start making, I am giving you some time, you should start making, writing the notes, okay, in which it should contain. Okay, bye. It should contain all the parameters. Okay. Is it understood, students? When you make notes, what it should contain? It should contain number of OH linkages, number of SS linkages, number of SO linkages, oxidation number, average oxidation number. Okay. And if possible, try to draw the structures also. If possible, what you will do? Try to draw the structures also. Okay.